Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a class notebook with your school account so everything stays organized. Choose Content Library for teacher notes, Collaboration for group work, and Student Notebooks for private student pages. Once created, add a syllabus and weekly goals to the first page so you and students know the roadmap. This initial layout saves time later. You'll be able to distribute pages and sections quickly. Make sure to set permissions now so students can access only what they need. Next, organize by creating sections for units and pages for each lesson to keep content scannable. Tag items with to-do and important so priorities surface during review. Embed PDFs or slides, record short audio explanations, and insert links for additional resources because mixed media deepens understanding. Use consistent file names like YIMMDD topic so search finds things fast. Once done, apply a page template to speed repeatable layouts, and make sure tags are synced across devices for reliable. To finish, share specific pages or the whole notebook with the right permissions, and use Class Notebook Review to collect and annotate assignments so feedback is fast and visible. Review work using version history and comments to track progress. If syncing problems appear, check your internet, confirm you're signed in to the correct account, and force a sync. If that still fails, export a notebook or keep an offline copy until fixed. One solid troubleshooting step. Sign out and sign back in to refresh permissions and resolve most sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.